Hey guys, just coming to you from my hotel room in Nashville, Tennessee. Just got here about midnight to start off a full week of training with Learning for Learning Focus with some of my colleagues. In fact, there's one over there. Anyway, I was trying to connect with you about Wonderopolis, which was the tech tool that I decided to share with you guys. I noticed nobody had used it yet, but that doesn't mean you're not familiar with it. But if you're not familiar with it, Wonderopolis is a great tool for your classroom, for activating strategies or for engagement. It gives, like a student, they have a wonder a day. So if you wanted to just go with whatever the site used for the wonder as your activating strategy, you could. Or if you really wanted to focus it on your core standard, which is what I recommend you do, then you would research whatever topic that you want to focus on. So it could be anything. It could be something, let's say you're studying bulls in a science class or whatever, and you can say, do bulls really have a sense for the color red and why? And it'll give the students like a whole blurb and a video to watch, and it links with age-appropriate vocabulary if they're middle and elementary. We have used it in our classrooms at East Alexander and have been really successful with it. So I attached a blog to this video where a teacher gives some specific examples of how they use that. So if you'd like to take a look at it, have fun. Thanks.